Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our articles and suggestions. From here we have to go into the profile menu, which opens up like this. And here we scroll down, tap on settings. Then in the notifications section, we tap on email notifications. And here at the top, we find enable email notifications. If you tap on this button, it turns this off, so we won't receive any notifications through email. Or if we want to receive notifications, we can turn it back on and customize it here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.